my name's Barry. I'm a territory manager for Pottinger UK, and today we're at Border Plant sales in Cheshire, just off junction 17 of the M6. The machine I want to feature today is the Novacat, Pottinger Novacat 302 ED Mower Conditioner. This is a 3-point linkage mounted machine with a cutting width of 3.04 meters, in other words 10 foot of grass. Alright, it's Pottinger's own cutter bar. It's a 7-disc cutter bar over this width. This front hood hinges up, allowing us nice easy access to the blades. There's a quick change blade system on this machine, fitted as standard, and so it makes changing of the blades very straightforward. And if you want to change them or turn them over, that's possible. There you can use both sides of these blades. A nice feature on our machine is the fact that both the outer discs on each end both turn inwards. Contra-rotating machines of blade on discs on this end tend to want to wrap with very heavy grass, tend to wrap on this outer top hat. We try to eliminate this by having both of the discs actually turning inwards, keeping that grass away from that outer top hat, bringing it inwards. Alright, it's a center pivot mounted machine, so nice ground following the ground, oscillating for good ground contouring. Coming around to this end of the machine, we've got a nice feature on this end of the outer guard, because this mower actually transports upright over center to reduce some of that height. This guard flicks over for transport. We've got a full width conditioner on this machine, and a unique feature to us again is the fact that our conditioners are detachable. You can remove our conditioners if you want to cut something like whole crop, or crop that you don't want to run through a conditioner. It's basically 20-25 minutes, set of wheels that you have to purchase in each end of the conditioner, roll that conditioner away. So a quick detachable, nice detachable conditioner unit available, standard on this machine. Okay, we've got the swathing disc here, so we're spreading or swathing off the back of this machine. So swath with the doors closed. If you want to open up the doors, this is your deflector plate with the spreading vanes incorporated that then give you a nice even spread off the back of this machine. We've got steel tying conditioners on this machine with rubber blocks for the high output that we really require from this type of machine. Following around, we've got lights fitted as standard, because when this machine is in transport, we could be obscuring the lights on the tractor, so we've got lights fitted as standard on this machine. And here we have the belt tensioner. Because this machine is a shaft driven machine to the cutter bar, it's belt drive to the conditioner shaft, and the belts come down, and this is the tensioner here. Nice and easy to see. All you've got to do is keep an eye on this needle with the top of the washer, make sure they're in line. Your conditioner adjustment is actually done with this handle here, so on and off with the conditioning is there. Again, there's a series of 4 holes. Pick the spot that best suits you for the amount of conditioning that you require. Alright, coming around to the headstock, you can see nice straight drive straight across into the machine. But a nice feature on this machine is the ram on this left hand side here, which helps us to level up the headstock. We all know that 3-point linkage mounted machines tend to suffer from the fact that you cannot level the headstock up, because the weight is pushing down on that link arm and pushing up on this link arm. You can get in there and try to move them, but you can't. We've eliminated that now by incorporating this ram, unique to us, this ram that we can level up the machine anyway without the need for using the lift rods on the tractor. We've got a hydraulic suspension unit on this machine, so there are no springs on here. The actual flotation of the cutter bar running over the ground is controlled by altering the hydraulic pressure in the system. There's a tap down here. Once we've set that, that's it. It stays where it is. No need to dump pressure to take it off. It's already charged, and you leave it in there. Okay, so Stephen now is going to fire up the machine. We're going to show the leveling system working, and then the machine in fold position. See that ram operating there now, and that helps us to level up the headstock irrespective of where the link arms are on the tractor. So makes it nice and easy. The cherry on the cake there is actually hitching the machine to the tractor. We can hitch it up very, very easily. Once we put that right hand link arm in, we can drop the left hand link arm in by operating the spool valve on the tractor. Okay, so now if we go into full position, before we go into full position, I just want to show you that's how high the machine comes on the swath, nice and high, up out of the way, alright, to clear those swaths if you've got big crops, clearing them rather than driving straight through them. Okay, if we go into full position now, okay, so that's the Novacat 302 mounted mower conditioner, and there's a 0% finance package available on this machine, and all remains for me to do is just to say thank you for watching.